Hey, good morning YouTube. 3G Racing coming back at you with another video today, and I've got a good one planned for y'all. We're swapping out the exhaust on my mom's Mustang here, and she's actually going to help with it too. So for Christmas I had bought her a new exhaust for her car. I know she likes to come racing and stuff. I'm not sure if you guys seen it in previous videos, but she has raced this car before. So we figured we'd spice it up a little bit, throw a exhaust on there, and yeah, let's get right into the video. And just to give you guys a quick update on my three cars here. So the Eclipse, everything's looking good. I've been driving that around a lot. It's pretty much race ready. There's a couple things that I got to add. My poly mounts, I have new radiator mounts. But other than that, just got to throw the tires on. She's ready for race week. We'll come over to the Trans Am here then. This is pretty much ready to go. I threw a new air filter on there. Just a 305 in it still. I'm still working on that 350, which I'll have another video up for soon. But yes, that's pretty much what's going on with the Trans Am. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Elantra here. Nothing too crazy, it's just a daily. Threw some rain guards on there, which I thought were a nice addition. But yeah, cars are coming along good. All right guys, so this is what we got going on the car. Just the Pypes axle back exhaust. Got a nice, I think was that 3.5-inch tip there, and then just 2.5 over here. Just the axle back, so really straightforward. All it is this one bolt there, and same thing is under the car. I'm hoping it's not I'm just hoping it's not too rusty or anything. It should pop right off. So we're gonna put the car up on the ramps to get under there, and then we'll get this new exhaust on here, and of course the customary sound clip of before and after. So all right guys, so right off rip, this is what you have to do. Take this one bolt out here, then you have the hanger there, and the other hanger's right up here. So this one I'm going to try to get off first. I already know it's going to be a pain, but I might just need some heat in the bar. So alright guys, we got the old exhaust off. It was a little bit of a pain. I mean, it's not a high mileage car, but it's still a little rusty under there. But we just got to take this boot off. The hardest part honestly was getting this off right here. I mean, this it was pretty snug on that existing pipe. So we got that, unbolted the hangers there. But yeah, so now we'll work on putting the new one in and see how it sounds. All right guys, so the exhaust is all up and in there. Everything fits perfectly. It actually has one less hanger on it. We skipped out on the one right there. I just doesn't have it on here. So yeah, it's all good. It fits straight in there. So I am excited to see how it sounds. So Mom, let's fire it up.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, there we go. Give it a little rev. Hey, that sounds good actually. Do you want to stand behind it and hear it, and I'll press the pedal?
Sure.
It sounds good. Yeah, doesn't that sound good?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Cool air intake next.
Yeah, we're gonna put a cold air intake on here too, and then strip it on what, February 24th if the weather's nice. So all right y'all, so we're taking a cruise in the car now, and you can kind of hear it right there, but we're gonna get the revs up a little bit, take it down the road here where it's a higher speed limit. So we'll see what she really sounds like. All right, here it goes guys. That sounds really good. What do you think, Mom?
I'm happy. I like it.
Yeah, I think it sounds a lot sportier. I mean, that's going to be a fun sound when you're getting up and going. So
yeah, perfect for my cruises, perfect for drag racing.
Hell yeah. So all right, well, that's going to do it, guys. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.